What's good, guys? It's your boy Mark back with a new video for you guys. So it's been a hot minute. I'm here with my nephew Vinny and my nephew Vasily. It's been a hot minute since we hopped back onto the bike, so we're gonna go ahead and hop onto it. So I did install a few things, and we're gonna go ahead. So here, I'll show you. So I got this thing. We ordered a new one. This is not fully installed. It just puts the bolts in there. And then we also got, I'm gonna go ahead, we got the radiator. So the radiator motor is good and the fan is good. We got it to spin. So now we're gonna figure out where it's loose, probably take off the fuel tank. And and also, let me just get this off. I also got the seal for the starter cover right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the seal onto here. Take off this, pull it out, put the seal on, and put everything back together. That's the first thing I'm gonna start on. Then we'll go up to the fan. So let's do it. I went ahead, while I got this thing off, I went ahead and sprayed it down with some black spray paint and gloss black. And I'm going to let it dry, then throw on the seal and throw it back onto the bike. It looks a little bit better now. So yeah, let's wait for it to dry. So guys, this is currently the next day, and I let this thing dry so it's not sticky overnight. And so it's good, and I went ahead and put a heater over it so it won't be sticky because it was pretty cold. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the gasket. It's still kind of sticky, but it'll be fine. Put on a gasket and throw it on, and it actually looks a lot better than it did. So of course there's some flakes in there, but from a distance it doesn't look too bad. So let's go ahead and pop this on. Got the starter cover popped back on. It was looking good, and now I'm gonna maybe start taking off the gas tank.